Assalamu alaikum all of you. I'm Dr. Shireen and I hope you all would be doing good. The topic I have chosen to speak on today is motivation in the context of sports and exercise setting. So let's begin to learn about motivation and its types. Uh, Motivation is an internal or external force which produces an initiation, direction, intensity, and persistence of behavior. It drives an athlete to keep participating, which in fact provides him with valuable insight about his performance and the improvement he makes while giving performance. An athlete who participates in sports may have many opportunities to experience failure, negative feedback, success, or positive feedback. As per Harter's competence motivational theory, success leads to belief in oneself's capabilities, competency, and efficacy in relation of skills being learned or performed, whereas failure leads to reduction in belief in one's capabilities, competency, or efficacy. These social factors such as success, failure, coach behavior, cooperation, competition, in fact determine the belief of athlete in him. And these resultant, in fact, determine the level of motivation in an athlete. Let's talk about its type. The first type is amotivation, which in fact describes the absence of any motivation to attempt behavior, which is neither internally or externally based or exist. A player with a motivation says that he has no idea why does he participate, why does he play. In fact, he fails to see or understand the benefits associated with the play he is in or he participates. The other type of motivation is intrinsic motivation. It refers to do something in the absence of external reward according to the Biddle and Murty. It is what comes from within. It is an involvement or engagement in an activity you are interested in with sense of volition and personal control. In fact, it is multidimensional in nature. There are three aspects of intrinsic motivation. One is knowledge, which is a drive to learn new skill. The other is accomplishment. An athlete drives to gain mastery over particular skills and seeks pleasure. And the third one is stimulation, the feeling athlete gets from physical experience sensation, which is innate and requires specific task. The third one is extrinsic motivation, which is in fact a motivation comes from external sources. According to the Ryan and Deki, it is to participate in an activity which gains some satisfaction of an external demand, such as award, certificate, money, praises, social approval, and fear of punishment. It may have three forms. The first form is external regulation, which is an individual behavior controlled by gaining external reward or to avoid threat. Whereas integrated regulation is the second form, which is the most internalized form of extrinsic motivation. Internalization is, in fact, a natural outcome of integration that comes as people obtain meaningful relationship with others. It involves assimilation. An athlete partially internalizes motive. It integrates into other roles intacted in life. It is so internalized that it integrates and correlated with personal value and belief. and form one's identity to achieve goal. The third one is identified regulation, which is a process by which people truly accept value of behavior. It results adopting the more readily as they participate, and their participation has value and external reason than experiencing shared pleasure. So here we are with the term motivation, its types and subtypes of extrinsic motivation. So hope so you understand today's lecture. I'll see you in next class. Thank you. Goodbye.